Hello and welcome to this MBL Partnered Shooter Consulting Limited JCT contract box set. Really excited to be bringing this new webinar box set to you. We're going to be doing 6 webinars of 30 minutes each. And after you've completed the whole set of webinars, you'll have the entirety of JCT at your fingertips. So in this series, you're going to learn all about the JCT form of contract. Over the page, I'm going to show you how the modules break down and what you're going to learn in each one. Over the course of the series, we're going to explore how the JCT contract is structured. We're going to look at the key terms. We're going to look at the key tools to be aware of and the processes as well. And we're not going to work through the contract from front to back, but rather the work is organised into themes. And throughout the series, you will see icons. These icons indicate the themes which are being talked about, and I hope that you will find them useful to your learning. In addition to that, and of course, we are basing our work entirely on the foundations of the contract. We're going to add the real life bit to it too. How the JCT contract is used by industry. What the key challenges to users are to manage the contract, to use it, and to deliver and procure their projects. These items will be indicated by arrows in the materials, so do look out for those as well. Finally, at the end of each module, there will be a summary of takeaways to look out for, in which I'm going to summarise the learning from that module, and you'll see this identified by the use of the milkshake takeaway symbol. In addition to that, do notice on this slide the link to the JCT contract website. This is where you can find copies of the contract to buy and plenty of more background information all about the different forms of contract available. Finally, and in addition to that, in our work with MBL, you can also avail of Learn Live workshops and face-to-face workshops on the JCT form of contract, and some of them are combined with other forms of contract too in a compare and contrast style of forum. So in addition to the webinar series, there's lots of information available to you, and I would encourage you to supplement your learning from this webinar series with those items identified. What you can see now on the screen is a description of how this box set is arranged. We've got 6 modules for you, arranged, as I mentioned, in themes. And each one of those is highlighted by a particular icon to show you the theme that's being tackled in the module. So this is module 1, in which we're introducing JCT and looking at some of the key elements of the contract, how it's structured and what it's made up. And all of those elements we will then go on and explore in further detail in modules 2 to 6. The icon for this module is as shown on the screen. It's the family, or it's the meeting around the table. So look out for that one as we go along. Let's jump right in now to module 1 and look at introducing JCT. In this module, we'll look at the philosophy of JCT, the structure of it, and what's in the suite of contracts. We'll also look at how JCT aligns its contracts in terms of the time, cost, and quality measures, which we so often associate with our projects. Thirdly, in this module, we'll look at the role of the third-party employer's agent. So to start us all off, here's some pictures.